people, you don't go and say to the board, hey, look, because everything that we have done with my team, because of the analysis that we have done, I think that you guys should open a new market and develop a new products. And the strategy is called diversification. You don't do that. That is not our role. You know that, because we're smart, we know that, but what we want them for the entire thing to work is the board to look like the smart people. You want them to say, oh, okay, this means that we should go to a new market and we should develop a new product. And you will be like, all right, if that's what you think, yeah, let's try it. You made it. That is the story component of data. It's not about you giving them the advice, because that's what I used to do when I was working as a consultant. I was there with my titles and my things and my universities and my experiences and my languages and shit like that. And I was telling people, you know, I'm here and I'm going to tell you what is that you need to do. Happens to be that sometimes it works. But now, if I go with the same rhetoric, I'll be kicked off. It's not going to work. It's not going to resonate with this new audience. Because this new audience is different, you know, is real, smart, human-centered people.